Hey, what's your name?
Ilya.
What do we do today?
Today we are gonna throw the soft front footpad. Gotta line up the arrow. Oh yeah. Whenever you tighten this stuff up, don't go all the way, because if it's not gonna align at the bottom, you'll have to loosen it up again. So just go easy on these. Go to the bottom, work on these, and then you'll be good to go to tighten everything up. Now, because we're working with a soft footpad, you don't have to screw in super hard because material is squishy, so it may feel like you're just eternally screwing it on, but as long as it's just tight enough, you should be good. Approved. And we're refreshing the rails. My previous rails are trash. And we're just trying to clean up the board and just make sure everything is looking correct, and it's ready for another 3000K. Painting the grill on my Jeep yesterday. I'm gonna install this here, and it's gonna be more symmetrical.
So it's better if it's curved?
Yeah, it gives you more control, because like when it's flat, it kind of throws itself around, but like you're much better locked in when it's curved. Yeah. So that's what we're doing.
Oh, yeah, you're over here.
It's gonna be all done by then.
Got any words of advice for anybody first riding?
Get your tire pressure a little bit softer, bend your knees, make sure your toes are hanging off, make sure your heels are hanging off, so you're in full control of the board, and look where you're going.
Aye.